When you have fresh snowfall and your backyard is full of fresh, beautiful snow, it's time to do something fancy. Let's try it. So today we are making a special snow ice cream which we can prepare from the snow, which is like fresh snow in our backyard. See, I'll just remove the top layer so that I get the cleaner snow. It's very fresh. We will take around 8 to 10 cups of snow. We have removed the top layer. See, we are removing the top layer. Actually, this is fresh, so not an issue. It's very nice. You can see how fresh it is. Yeah, so we have almost 8 to 10 cups of snow, and if you will require more, I'll just come and take more. Right now we are taking this much snow inside. Yeah, so here we have the snow which we just collected from our backyard. We will not take the entire quantity as of now. We'll take just half of it. It is around 4-5 cups of snow we have taken. See, it goes like on approximate measurements, because when you will mix this condensed milk into it, you will just understand. So this is sweet condensed milk. We are using half the quantity, and you can see the snow looks little blackish right now because this is just a light effect. Snow is very clean and it's white, but in camera I don't know why, but we can't capture that freshness. We have to mix it slowly, and we will also put around 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence to it, just to give that flavor of see, we are not putting much. We are putting just around approximate 1 teaspoon, so that otherwise it will turn bitter. We won't put more. Yeah. So this will give it a nice flavor. Yeah. So now it's time to add some more snow. Depending on the quantity you want to make, you can just keep on adding snow, and you have this condensed milk with you. So that also you have to add, and it is sweet condensed milk, so it will give a very nice taste to the entire thing. We'll add some more. See, here we have not used entire tin of condensed milk, which is around 380 grams. So if you want, you can, we are just preparing 2 cups of ice cream as of now. If you want more, we'll add some more snow. We'll mix it quickly now. So now it's ready. It's ready to serve. We'll just scoop it. And here you go. You have this fresh snow ice cream. All you need is some snow from your backyard and the tin of condensed milk, which you can keep it at your home. And whenever you have a fresh snowfall, just grab a tub and prepare your ice cream. Here we have prepared vanilla flavor, so you are free to put some sauces on it, like you can put some sprinkles or maybe chocolate sauce, or you can put some maple syrup. So how beautiful it looks. I have just shaped it with a spoon so that you get that ice cream feel. Now putting the sprinkles over it. See? So isn't it beautiful? Your kids will go crazy over the snow ice cream. Just make sure you are taking fresh and clean snow and using it whenever you have a snowfall.